was on missing a piece, lost in a dream I can't release. Whispers of love now echo pain, drowned by the sound of falling rain. Your touch lingers like a ghost, the warmth of you I miss the most. Fragile memories slowly fade, scattered like stars in night well played. Oh, the tears fall like the rain, can't wash away this lasting pain. Love was a song now out of tune, a melody beneath the moon. The shadows dance where you once stood, in a place where time was always good. The echo of our last embrace still haunts this empty sacred space. Each moment with you now a scar, a wish upon a falling star, hoping somewhere deep inside our love would heal, but it just died. All the tears fall like the rain, can't wash away this lasting pain. Love was a song now out of tune, a melody beneath the moon. Oh, the tears fall like the rain, can't wash away this lasting pain. Love was a song now out of tune, a melody beneath the moon. Woke up in my rocket ship, sailing stars entwined. Dreams of distant galaxies where the lights all shine. Floating in a sea of black where echoes whisper fate. Planets dance around the moon, love will have to wait. Space dust in my pocket, dreams fill up my heart. Lunar lullabies carry me where wonders start. Zero gravity, our love just can't stay. Drifting through the Milky Way, I'll find you some way. Saw a constellation, spoke your name aloud. Neon lights and cosmos formed you in the crowd. Shooting stars are memories, astral love affair. Far beyond the atmosphere, I'll meet you there. Space dust in my pocket, dreams fill up my heart. Lunar lullabies carry me where wonders start. Zero gravity, our love just can't stay. Drifting through the Milky Way, I'll find you some way. Find you some way. Saw a constellation, spoke your name aloud.